Ranjan is sitting here on a small island in the middle of the river. He observes, this is the tree, 8 meter high. Ranjan is sitting here. He observes two poles directly opposite each other on two banks of river. Two poles on two banks of river and in line with the foot of tree, like this. If the angles of depression of it at which the Ranjan is sitting is 60 degree and 30 degree. Angle of depression, ये कितना हो गया? 60 and 30. This is 60 and this is 30. Right? Angles of depression of the fifth of the poles from the point at which Ranjan is sitting on either side of the river. Either side में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इधर 60 बनाओ, इधर 30 बनाओ, इधर 30 बनाओ, इधर 60 बनाओ. सेम साइड पे फर्क पड़ता है. सेम साइड पे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Smaller angle has to be on the outer side. Depression होगा तो ये 30 होगा और ये 60 होगा. Correct? Find the width of the river. This is the width of the river. Ranjan is here. Let AB is equal to AN plus NB. AN is X. Let AN be X and BN be Y. Which two triangles will you take? बोलिए. Right triangles नाम लीजिए, कौन से लेंगे? RNA, RNB. RNA. कौन सा एंगल है RN में? Please be loud. Yes, tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? RN upon AN. How much is tan 30? RN upon NB. Am I clear? समझ आ रहा है मुस्कान? तुम्हारा डाउट क्लियर हो रहा है? tan 60 is √3 है. Rn is how much? 8. An is x. Tan 30 is 1 by √3. Rn is 8 and Nb is y. How much is y? 8 √3 meters. X is 8 upon √3. √3 here. √3. So 8 upon 3 √3. So they are asking you width of the river. How much is width of the river? X plus y. X is 8 √3 by 3 and y is 8 √3. When you take the LCM, it's 8 √3 plus 24 √3, 32 by 3 √3 meters. Correct? Opposite direction में छोटे बड़े का कोई हिसाब नहीं होता. You can make it in any direction, either right or left. But when you are moving in the same direction, the smaller one has to be on the outer side. Please make sure that it is clear to you. वो छोटे वाला एंगल बाहर होगा, चाहे डिप्रेशन हो चाहे एलिवेशन. Fifth, the angle of elevation and depression of top and bottom of a lighthouse from the top of a 60-meter high building. Top and bottom of a lighthouse. This is a lighthouse. The angles of elevation of top and bottom of the lighthouse from the top of a 60-meter high building. This is a 60-meter high building. Lighthouse से top से angle of elevation है how much? 30 degree. और lighthouse के bottom से angle of depression है 60 degree. Lighthouse के top से angle of elevation है 60 और bottom से angle of depression है. वो पता लगे कि ये 60 है तो ये भी alternate से क्या आ जाएगा? 60 है. ये depression और वो क्या है? elevation. एलिवेशन इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ खड़े होकर आप ऊंचा देख रहे हो तो एलिवेशन, और यहां से खड़े होकर आप नीचे देख रहे हो तो क्या होगा? डिप्रेशन. एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन होगा 30 डिग्री और एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन होगा 60 डिग्री. फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हाइट्स ऑफ लाइट हाउस एंड द बिल्डिंग एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द लाइट हाउस एंड द बिल्डिंग. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द लाइट हाउस एंड द बिल्डिंग. लेट द दिस इज A, B, C, DE. Let DE is equal to X be the distance between the lighthouse and the building. Distance between the lighthouse and the building. And AD is the height of lighthouse. AD is the height of lighthouse. Now what is this? BD EC is a rectangle. BDC is a rectangle opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Opposite sides कौन सी होगी? BD is equal to CE. Both will be equal to 60 meters. And BC equal to DE. Both will be equal to X meters. Correct? Right? Now, tangent 30 in triangle ABC and in triangle CED. ABC. ABC. How much is ABC? Angle is how much? Tangent 30. CED. Tangent 60. CE upon ED. And tangent 30 is AB upon BC. What is the value of tangent 30, children? 1/√3. And what is the value of tangent 60? √3. AB. Now this is height of the lighthouse. This is 60. This is also 60. And this small AB is H. So let AB be equal to H. So H plus AB is H and BC is X. So X is √3H. Tan 60 is √3. CE is 60 upon X. X is 60 upon √3. Rationalize it by √3. It is 60 √3 over 3. √3, 3. So what is X equal to? 20 √3 meter. And what was X? Distance between the lighthouse and the building. If you want to convert it into decimal, it has to be 20 into 1.732. 046 this. 34.64 meters. Now what is X? √3H. X is √3H. How much is X? X कितना है आपका? 20 √3 is equal to √3H. This √3 goes here. H is 20 √3 over √3. How much is H? 20 meters. But they were not asking you small h. They are asking you, अच्छा बताइए height of lighthouse कितनी हुई? Height of lighthouse is AD, which is H plus 60. 20 plus 60 is how much? 80 meters. So they are not asking you the height of lighthouse either. They are asking you difference between the height of lighthouse and building. So difference between height of lighthouse and building. Lighthouse is 80 meter and building is 60 meters. So what is the difference? 20 meters. What is the difference between height of lighthouse and building? 20 meters. Am I clear? Difference चाहिए तो आप तभी आप छोड़ सकते थे क्योंकि difference ही है. This is H plus 60 minus 60. Lighthouse की height है H plus 60, building की height है 60. H plus 60 minus 60 कट गया तो H कितना आ गया? 20 meters. ठीक है जी. अब जिन लोगों ने